What if one single printer can handle almost all your packaging printing needs? Many factory owners wonder, how many materials can a single-pass packaging printer really print? Meet the Cobra 691S, the machine that breaks all limitations. It supports flexible printing widths from 21 centimeters to 42 centimeters. Equipped with dual A4 printheads for standard production, and optional single A3 printhead for 30 centimeters width printing, perfectly matching diverse material with demands. Built with exquisite craftsmanship and streamlined industrial design. Stable structure, precise operation, designed for long-term factory mass production. Reliable performance wins consistent satisfaction from global packaging clients. Complete delivery and full after-sales support guarantee your business runs smoothly. Expand your printing business with flexible size and material diversity. If you need larger printing sizes, we also provide full-series, professional printer models for customization. Contact us to get your exclusive printing solution.